Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Kamalim bringing to the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister appeals public not to venture out except for unavoidable situations. Joint Action Committee of Sinjuk Kirang Shillong Mauti area demands for creation of Mauti Community and Rural Development Block. Meghalaya PHE Minister inspects 2 water supply schemes in East Janta Hills District, and Meghalaya Board of School Education to announce Class 12 Arts and SSLC results on the 5th of this month. Another news in detail. Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong today made an appeal to the public not to venture out except for unavoidable situations. The Deputy Chief Minister said this on ground that coronavirus in the state is surging every day. Speaking to the media, Tinsong said by not coming out of the houses, the people are protecting themselves and others from being infected by the virus.
See, right now the plan is the same, and our appeal to each and every citizen of the state is please take care of yourself and stay safe, and unnecessarily please don't come out from your respective houses. And when you go out also, make sure that your mask is in place and take care of yourself. This is the only way out where we can.
Meghalaya Board of School Education will announce the Class 12 and SSLC results tomorrow, the 5th August. This was disclosed by Meghalaya Education Minister Lakmin Rumbui while talking to the media yesterday. Rumbui also informed that strict instruction has already been sent to all the educational institutions that students should not be deprived of admission and that they should avoid overcrowding. The minister also said that the educational institution should give sufficient time for the students to pay their admission fees. With regards to the opening of educational institution, Rumbui said that it is time to reopen the schools, but the state government is a little hesitant to open the schools because the COVID-19 case keeps on fluctuating every day.
Result jongki class 12 kalami jongka science ka commerce bat ka vocational ta haka santrik unubnai haka por shpobje kan me ka arts ka 12 arts but kabe bje kan me ka result SSLC the factor ki ba determine lano bang play ya ki college ki jong Tementa kilami last week kilami result jang ki class 12 science commerce but vocational menta katiyo kan mi ka result jang ka class 10 kan mi ka result jang class 12 arts ta ondang layo ka result ondalami ka result ini but niru nila pengkrehi ba kuno bangin le ba khnang bangin la ampli ya hisko kuma mene ya hiba ka vaccination ka day ka way ni factor dan re kindon pat ki day pa factor de ka factor ka ba kong santam ka bangit ha bang pek ka lamba na ka jingtu jang ki khna kam de ka kai ha ki ni ki system stel te kaladon lade ka por ni bangin le ya ki school ki jangi khnam ba ki khna school ki yon le ban puli ta andrai ma bangila i ba ki don state ki bala play yaki knas yaki school di jangki bangila yo iru katum ka statement jang u gularia doktor gularia bala statement per doktor jang aims ulay la omba kala de ka por ban sedang na ki primary ba secondary section ta andrai ni na le masakar ma bangi ngi yo i hamtam hakin ki spiyo tam bala de baka case ka positive case ka kiu ban ya ka ba ya yo bakot badang yo unang ubon ban ya uba yo jingkot den ta kadaw ngimpat la ban sim karai menin nilai iba kalar hiar biang tengah kramen skem la kadak ham non stable katukat ni ngin la ban sedang ban ai ya direction lano anpli ya isko te kumba kalang menta te ni ka sorkar kanra balano hakano kopor ya katangin sa pentik hakinig sni namba.
Meghalaya PHE Minister Shillong along with PHE Chief Engineers today inspected the two ongoing water supply schemes in East Janta Hills District. The two schemes include the Greater Rumbai Water Supply Scheme and the Sinrang Umlawe Combined Water Supply Scheme at an estimated cost of 66 crore rupees and 114 crore rupees respectively. The main sources of these two schemes are dependent on the natural spring located at Rumbai, preserved by the Dorbar Shillong and later donated to the office of the PHE for implementation of these schemes to provide drinking water to more than 65% of villages in the district. The Joint Action Committee of the Sinjuk Kirong Bashnong Mauti area today met the Meghalaya Community and Rural Development Block Minister and also demanded for the creation of Mauti Community and Rural Development Block in Riboy district. Speaking to Meghalaya Community and Rural Development Minister Hamlet Dolling, the leader of the committee, Charles Marngar, who is also the MDC of Mauti, informed the minister of the urgent need for the creation of Mauti CNRD block because the villagers are facing so much hardship to go to Umsning CNRD block for the various development programs.
Hagabedi kajingwan jungi kaba mentar singi ki kampenroy kiba ni don hakisno jungi kiwan hi henry ki babun ki saateng nakadau jong kajing jingai mi jong blok te main hi kajing tmu jungi kabanwan mentar singi kabade e main nak mentar kajing tawa jungi bangin yo no la kajong blok kadi kata namar ki kampenroy kumbakalong mentar ni ki pai ba ki babun ki tip hi ki kampenroy ki don ki bon jat ki bari personal scheme ki bari scheme simet ne bat jong kislong ki thau kita kiwan henry ki babun long ki sa teng no naka dau jong ka jing jingai jong koblok teng teng ha ka bede bat ki scheme sispa si namar ba ka jing jingai jong koblok teng nimlap su ban summit mo ya ki MR ne ya ki demand form ne ha ka por ka badiban poi kita ki saja ku kirma snong bat kamtam ka wi ka ba ngi kendu ka jing kalong ba kidon ki rangbak snong ki bapli ki bom da biang ke jingyo ke jingkot namar ba jingai ka blok ki shongsa snon snong klem le kemut ka kamram jungki namar ba la jingai ka blok umdan bai lek umdan bai wan kemut ki sukut no tang ki rangbak snong bania te bre te habai dei ba development kemut sisen bo rangbak snong usong khop hasnong kemut rum dan su snong kata ka di jing ka bagindo te namar kata men ngiwan hi lada ka blok ka don hajan kemut kiwi kamperoi ngangai ba kin ya kiwan pi mensua kala don kejing persang na kaliang jong ki seng halang ruk ibli ki lai persang banya yawan te henry longba ngio iba sibun na kaliang jong ka mo na kaliang jong ka surkar ka tu ko por ngio iba na kaliang jong ki layak sakmat ngio i kamdon kono kajing siso kamtam na kaliang jong ki nong yalam ki jong ngiru kumbalong menta de hagijing yalam jong MDC henry ngimdon ginu ki ban yalam khmat yangi te menta hagijing yalam jong MDC de na kata kadang sepoi ha dukat ni ko.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.